Imagine turning a sweet potato into the fluffiest loaf of bread you've ever tasted. That's exactly what I'm about to share with you today. This easy sweet potato recipe is not just simple, it's moist and tender, with melt in your mouth subtle sweet notes. To make this sweet potato bread, begin by adding half a cup of well-mashed, steamed sweet potato into the mixing bowl. Just make sure it is not too hot. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar and give the sweet potato a good mix. Next, pour in 3/4 cup of lukewarm milk and mix it until it reaches a smooth, puree-like consistency. Then add 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast and give the ingredients another mix. Now, stir in 2 cups of bread flour and a pinch of salt, mixing it until it all comes together into a dough. Then, fold in 1 tablespoon of melted and slightly cooled butter, kneading until the butter is fully integrated into the dough. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and let it sit in a warm corner of your kitchen to rise for 1 hour. Once the dough has doubled in size, take it out of the bowl and place it on the floured surface. Now, lightly dust the dough with some flour and flatten it out a bit so you can fold it into a log. Next, use a dough cutter to divide the dough into 3 equal portions. Then, gently roll each piece into a ball. Cover the dough balls with plastic wrap and let them rest for 15 minutes. Once the dough balls have puffed up a bit, remove the plastic wrap and roll each dough ball into an oval shape. Then, fold in the edges so they will overlap each other and flatten it again so that you will end up with a long rectangular shape. Now, carefully roll up the dough into a tight cylinder shape and press along the seam with your fingers to seal it firmly. After forming your 3 dough rolls, gently set them side by side in a loaf pan lined with parchment paper. Then, cover the pan with plastic wrap and let it sit for about 30 minutes, allowing the dough to double in size and snugly fill out the loaf pan. Brush the bread dough with some milk for that tender golden crust and bake it in a preheated oven at 356 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or until the top of the bread is golden brown and your kitchen smells absolutely amazing. And here it is, sweet potato bread, fresh out of the oven, that is warm, inviting, and deliciously soft and fragrant, ready to be enjoyed with butter or jam or anything you like. If you like this sweet potato bread recipe, then check out also how to make this soft and fudgy sweet potato and avocado brownie here. Check it out now.